Over 90% of hypercalcemia is caused by either hyperparathyroidism or malignancies. The cause-effect relationship for hyperparathyroidism is clear because parathyroid hormone naturally stimulates calcium release from the bone and increase reabsorption from kidney and the GIT. In this short lecture, I'm going to explain how malignancies cause hypercalcemia, and this is commonly referred to as humoral hypercalcemia of malignancies. Parathyroid hormone-related protein is secreted normally by various cells and tissues in the body, including the skin, bone, and mammary gland, to regulate cartilage growth, tooth development, and lactation. However, certain malignant cells secrete a large amount of parathyroid hormone-related peptide, which behaves exactly like the parathyroid hormone, thereby causing an increased release of calcium from the bones and increased reabsorption of calcium from the GIT and the kidney. A very good example is the squamous cell carcinoma of the lung. Secondly, certain malignancies cause extensive metastasis to the bone or a primary osteolytic lesion, which can cause bone destruction and release a large amount of calcium in circulation. And a very good example is the multiple myeloma. The third possible explanation is that certain malignant cells can produce vitamin D, which normally causes an increased calcium reabsorption from both the kidney and the GIT, and a typical example is the non-Hodgkin lymphomas. Lastly, certain malignant cells can produce cytokines like interleukin-6 and interleukin-3, which have the ability to stimulate osteoclastic bone resorption, thereby releasing calcium into circulation and then causing hypercalcemia. And a very typical example is the leukemias.